the biggest motor of the day. This is going to be a spectacular launch to see. So get your cameras ready. And it's going to rock the ground. We got Joshua's Juniper 3 on pad A5. Joshua makes his own parachutes. He's got a table over there. The sky's clear. It's an L820 Sparky motor. Dual deploy. With the main chute coming out at 500. That means that I'll have a drogue chute come out at apogee, and then another one will come out at 500 feet. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's going. Woo! Yeah! Oh, that was awesome.
It's good.
Good direction. That's a good direction.
It's in the cart. Yeah. It's coming right back. She's in the cart.
There's your drone.
It's coming right to us.
The backup.
You got it, Josh. Good launch.
Wow.
It's going to come right back to us.
It's coming right here. You got it.
Yep.
Well done, Josh.
Woo!
What a motor.
10 knots. That was very spectacular.
Please, just for the tree line.
Now we just need. Hey, that second charge is going to be almost 10 grams of black powder.
Come on, Maine. Let's go, Maine.
Look at that.
There it is. Nice job, Josh.
Woo!
Wow. Yeah. What a flight.
Look at that parachute.
Oh, there goes the booster.
Not in the woods this time.
Very nice.
Very good job, Josh.
All right.